Hello and welcome back. And in this one, we're looking at meta characters. So there are characters that are literal, like the text we were searching for in the previous video, just normal text. But then there are these ones we call meta characters. Now, these are actually special characters with special meaning. So let me give an example of what I mean here. So let's open a regex101.com and get into it. So here the text that I want to add is, let's add a question. Let's say, is this your text? And put a question mark there. Or is it not? Just a simple sentence there. Now what we wanted to do is try and match this question mark there. So let's say I want to find all question marks in this text. So obviously the intuition would be to type a question mark there. But then what happens? No match found here. And then you see here it tells you that this is a pattern error. So this pattern here is not valid. So it's going to tell you here as well, all errors detected are listed, so a preceding token not quantifiable. So what exactly does this mean? Well, the reason here is because this is one of the meta characters here. As you can see, it's a question mark. All of these, you cannot search for any of these here. So what exactly would you need to do to search for one of these? So as you can see here, there's this backslash. Now, a backslash is one of these meta characters, and its main use is to escape other meta characters here. So for example, if I want to actually search for a question mark, what I will do is I will put a backslash question mark. Sorry, let me start from there, question mark, like so. Okay, so as you can see now, I have one match of a question mark, and it's right there. So what happened? Once you put a backslash there, it renders the next character, it removes any special privileges that the next character has. So that's how you escape this. If you try also to search for a dot, this one doesn't produce a pattern error because it's legitimate, you can search for a dot. But look at what happens here. Searching for a dot returns every single character, even though you just wanted this dot. So already you've seen that a dot will match every single character there. So what do you do? To get an actual dot, you put a backslash, like so. Awesome. So we'll look at these other special characters one by one as we go on, because some of these are a bit involving. You need to know other things before you can know what they do. But for now, we know that a period and a backslash, what these two actually do. So this one matches every single character. This one is for escaping other special characters. Now, if you did want to search for a backslash as well, let's say you had a backslash for some reason in your text, like this. And if you tried to add a backslash like this, you're going to get a pattern error, of course. So to search for that one backslash, you put another backslash, like so. Okay, good. Now you have a match for a backslash. Awesome. Now, let's go back here and see if there's one of these we can squeeze in. Actually, no. For now, this is all we need to know before we proceed. So these two are enough. We're going to learn about the rest pretty soon. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video where we look at other types of meta characters as well.